Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everybody. I especially welcome you all uh, uh, to these training sessions. Basically, we are going to record the demo lectures for O-level chemistry. There is a specific syllabus as per the curriculum of EduExcel and Campus, but we are going to focus on EduExcel today. Before going to discussion, I would especially request you to come back or to introduce my website, that is www.massbury.org. This is my website. All the contents regarding chemistry, physics, math, biology, computer science, and other commerce background related subjects materials will be available here. So you will easily find out the solutions of your academic to solve your academic problems. One more important thing is that all the things that is required for you to understand the subject matter or the subject contents and clearly, and having the crystal clear or vivid pictures for the subject matters for each and every topics, you will be able to understand here, and you will get here. Not only that, but also you will find here the video book for each and every papers that are required for you. Now the question is, what is the video book? The video book is just types of books in which the whole subject matters or the whole the contents have been recorded, pre-recorded video, and it will be uploaded at the website. After getting registration, you will get a um, your own page, and that page, all the contents will be recorded, and all the content will be uploaded as per your requirement. After logging into your page, you will get details what is required for you, and each and every questions will be there, and the solutions of the last previous year solutions. And not only that, but also you will get the uh, c- c- mm, picture or animated video to understand the subject matter. If you buy a video book instead of online class or one-to-one class, I hope all the problems, all your academic problems will be solved through video book. So it will not be required for you to buy the live class or to go to anywhere to solve your academic problem, to go to any coaching centers to solve your problems. All you will, you will all the problems, all the complete solution for your all problems will be available here at this website. So this is the versatile mode, a multifunctional website, and all the subject matters for the science related subjects and the commerce related subject will be available here. So for solving your all types of problems, you can come here and just log in here. After coming to the website, I am mentioning my website. This is www.massbd.org. After coming to this website, just go to the Google and type the website address and just keep the enter. After pressing the enter, you will find out these types of website, and you will just click on the button ABM Academy, Anwari English Version and Medium Academy. Just click here. After clicking the button ABM AMB, you will find out here. After click, you will get here the complete complete pictures of the website, and after coming here, you will find out the solutions for the O level. And it is the website has been started here from the PG level, playground level, and then it is going on to the A level. So all types of problems related to English medium and English versions will be is available here. So there is no problem at all to find out any solution or to get that solutions. And the different types of different resource person from the different organizations that are working here, and to solve the academic problems related to the South Asia, especially where the certificate O level is being designed for. And there is no basic difference between the O level and the IGS and the GSC certifications. Basically, all the certificates are the relevant, or the certificates are available, or the certificates are equally honored. So in case of South Asia, the certificate O level is being highly expected, and all the students of this area, that is South Asia, are um, prone to have O-level academics courses. So O-level is much more easier, and there is no problem at all in terms of EduExcel. EduExcel and Cambridge, these are the examination board, and then after this, for having private students, it will be more easier for you to go to Cambridge, and but also EduExcel is also fine for any students. So for solving the academic problems related to the EduExcel chemistry, there's the full solutions and the subject matters of each and every subject matter, and the video book are available here, so you can find out here all the issues. Um, just knock us or just inbox us. I'm mentioning the WhatsApp number here, so it will help you to understand. Just WhatsApp number 0 +88018545501. So I'm going to this is also about our website, and now I am going to start our class. Before going to starting class, I would like to introduce the content of the today's discussion, especially the PDF book, that will also help you to understand. Uh, okay, these are the okay number the key. Okay, this is the book. Students, especially I'm concerning. I'm trying to having attention of the learners. Okay, we can see here the chemistry book that we will cover. Each and every topics of the books will be covered by us, so there is no problem at all. We are going here down. This is the books, recommended books, but in these books especially we'll start with the atomic structures from the chapter atomic structures. Then we'll get to the clear-cut discussions regarding atomic charts. Actually, from this website, I provide there are three types of support: the live class as a group students, and the one-to-one class, and also the video book. Any one of the program can be benefited. Any one of the program is benefited for each and every students. Students can take part into any one of the program. One-to-one classes and video book. I especially request you to save your time and to enjoy your time by purchasing one-to-one class or video book. Both are pretty good for to cover your all solved problems. And if you have the 5 to 7 students together, then you can go for a group class. It will also helpful for each other. Okay, then today discussion, I'm especially going to start the today discussions and through our site. So I'm going to start the discussion. It will help you to understand the today's discussion, what we have planned for. Okay, this is MD Hoshin, and I'm going to teach you today. And this is our demo class, and we will continue this demo class for the chemistry, physics, math, and biology for all the subjects matters related to Excel. So this is the um, all about introduction, and then you can do. Firstly, we are going to introduce the what is electronegativity. Electronegativity is a concept used in the chemistry to describe an atom's tendency to attract the electron towards the itself in a chemical bond. Especially now the question is come to what is chemical bond. Chemical bond is a one type of bonding in which by which all the all the atoms in a molecule are combined together. So now, if you understand the chemical bond in a short, as we will discuss in later, just see here, this is carbon, and then this is a bond. The bond regarding the carbon and hydrogen atom is formed as a result of the sharing of electron. The power, the energy, which is related to the which is related to combine these two atom, carbon and hydrogen together, is called the chemical bond. So chemical bond is, in other words, is one type of attraction between the electrons of two element. In other words, you can say the force that is related to attack each other, that is two or more atoms together, that is the energy which binds more atoms together is the bonding. So in a simple word, bonding is nothing but attraction of elements. Why bonding is required? Then one a basic question: why bonding is required? Bonding is required for the existence of the element. Bonding is required for existence of the compound. Bonding is required for the existence of the universe. Bonding is required for the existence of the earth. So if there is no bonding, if there is no sharing, if there is no migration of electron, if there is no attraction of electron, then the existence of the world will be unexpected. So we are here, we are working, or we are moving each to one place to another place. We are doing everything. We are alive still today because of the bonding. If there is no bonding, there is nothing. So as a student of chemistry, you have to understand the inner concept of the bonding. So in future, we'll go for in details discussion regarding the bonding formation and the nature of bonding and the um, and, all tricks and tips related to the formation of bonding. So in the chapter of chemical bonding, we will discuss in details. Now, the primary concept is the as the bonding is a power, bonding is an energy, bonding is an attraction force by which two or more elements combine together. So this is all about bonding. So if we go to our previous definition, electronegativity is a concept used in chemistry to describe an atom's tendency to attack electron. Why the elements attack electron? Because of the formation of bonding. So each and every atom has a tendency to attack electron, and the nature or the tendency of the attacking electron is the electronegativity. So before going to understand the electronegativity, you have to have the clear concept regarding the bonding. But there are different or discriminated dimension of bonding, so we are not discussing the regarding the bonding. But before going to understand the electronegativity, you have to know the primary concept of bonding. Primary concept of bonding is that the each and every element want to survive here, and for the existence of each and every element or the molecules, bonding is required. Now when they are going to form bonding, the questions of electronegativity comes. Why? Because bonding formation depends on the electronegativity. If there is no attraction, there is no bonding. Our electronegativity is the amount of force of attraction. So attraction, the tendency of attraction of element is the electronegativity. Simply, if you understand, the tendency of element to attract each other is the electronegativity. So in if we want to then go to the next slide, then you will have a crystal clear, vivid picture for related to bonding. So you can see here, this is a you can see this is one of the important slide. You can see just wait. I'm just this one. Just wait. I need to clear the board. Okay. If you have a look on this screen, then you can see here. Then you can see here. Okay. If you have a look on this on the screen, then you can see the high electronegativity, strong attacks element. The element having the higher number of electronegativity have the tendency to attack electron much more than the lower number of electronegativity element. So higher the electronegativity, higher the tendency of attacking electron, higher the chance of forming bond. You can see here the element of the chemical structure of methane, in which carbon is sharing carbon and hydrogen are sharing their in outer cell electron to form bond. As the electronegativity difference between the carbon and hydrogen, we'll see later, we know that the electronegativity of carbon atom is much more higher than the hydrogen atom. So in that case, the sharing of the electron between the carbon and hydrogen atom will not stay in the middle position. Why? Because the higher the electronegativity, higher the tendency to attack electron. So we know the electronegativity between the carbon and hydrogen, carbon is greater than hydrogen. Electronegativity of carbon is higher than hydrogen. So we can see here that carbon is greater than hydrogen. The electronegativity of carbon is higher than hydrogen. In that case, the bonding or shared electron will not stay in the middle position between the carbon and hydrogen bond. So let's see, the bond can be shown here. This is carbon and hydrogen. So in the middle point, both the electrons, shared electron will stay. This is the normal phenomena. But in that case, as the electronegativity of carbon is much more higher than the hydrogen atom, as a result of this, the shared electron that was supposed to stay in the middle position will not stay there. So in case of formation of bonding, the shared electron will stay in the middle position only when the electronegativity difference of the two atoms is nearly equal to equal or is nearly equal to. So I hope you have understand why the electronegativity, what is the effect of the electronegativity. We can memorize the definition of electronegativity is to attack electron to each other, to attack electron to formation. Why element attack electron? Because of formation of bond, because to form the bond. So for forming bond, electronegativity play a vital role. This is why we have to understand the concept of electronegativity, to understand the chemical structure, to understand the chemical disposition, to understand the electronic disposition, to understand the electronic, chemical, and physical aspect of the element, and also for formation of compound. So this is the basic idea. What is electronegativity? We have shown in the slide why we have to study electronegativity, and what are the aspect, what are the effect of the electronegativity on formation of bond. Okay. Now on next slide, if we go to the next slide, we can have some more info regarding this issue. See, this is a diagram. We are getting here the periodic table. In case of periodic table, the electronegativity goes increase from left to right. Just have a picture of this slide in your mind. Then it will solve your problems, in which direction the electronegativity will increase and which direction the electronegativity will fall. I hope you understand. If we just have a look on the slide, then you will understand the electronegativity goes raising, goes increasing from left hand side to right hand side. So the element in the end of right hand side, the highest electronegativity. So in that case, if you have a comparable study of the hydrogen, electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.2, whereas the carbon electronegativity is 2.6. So there is a big difference regarding the electronegativity and the carbon and hydrogen. In case of oxygen and hydrogen, there is much more electronegative. So we are getting here that the electronegativity is increasing from left hand side to right hand side. Be careful, take note, and be attentive and take note, to memorize the electronegativity from left hand side to right hand side of a periodic table goes increase. Electronegativity increase from left hand side to right hand side of a periodic table. So these common tricks will help you to understand the electronegativity difference as well, and it will help you to find out to solve the much more problems related to chemistry. In that case, and we are going to the next slide, that you can see here the methane formation of methane, and by sharing the electrons. So that is called the carbon and hydrogen. The difference, the electronegativity difference between carbon and hydrogen is not so high. That's why the bonding electron are shared almost equal to in the middle position. But Actually, there is not they do not stand at the middle position, slightly adjacent to carbon atom. Because of the electronegativity difference, we know that we have in the from the previous slide, we have seen that the electronegativity of carbon is much more higher than hydrogen atom. That's why. And you can see here that the both the carbon and hydrogen atom electronegativity, and as the difference at the basic difference of carbon and hydrogen atom 2.2 and 2.6, that is point 4 only. That's why the polarity does not increase. But if the difference of electronegativity is much more higher, then the polarity will raise, and the carbon, in that case, the much higher electronegativity element will get the delta minus, and the lower electronegativity element will becomes in the delta plus position. So in that case, oxygen, in case of oxygen, you can see here that the oxygen has the much more electronegative than the hydrogen atom, and then as a result of this, the in case of water molecule, we can see the water molecule have the polarity, the dipole moment. That is at the positive end and negative end. You can see, we will have a detailed discussion in the chemical bonding chapter regarding this molecular structure, and the effect of the electronegativity. But we are here just we are getting example the what may be happening in the presence of electronegativity difference. These are the whole things regarding the electronegativity. I hope you understand why the electronegativity difference can create the polarity of the bonds, and that's all about regarding the electronegativity. Then we will all the students will get the MCQ questions or the test papers, some test on this lecture module, and it will help you understand to much more regarding the electronegativity and the chemical and the effect of electronegativity. In the next lecture, we'll go for a few more basic tips and tricks regarding the chemistry that will help you understand the subject matter of the chemistry and the complex structure of the chemistry, and you will have the crystal clear and vivid picture regarding the chemistry, and it will increase the tendency or increase the attraction of studying chemistry, and it will avoid negligence regarding chemistry. Because if you know the subject matter, if you know the inner side of the each and every topics, then it will go a long way to understand the whole subject matter. So I hope it will help you to understand regarding the O-level chemistry in details. So thank you so much for patient sharing. So you can also visit our website www.masbury.org, and you can also WhatsApp us and then +88 and then 01854550184. Thank you so much for staying with us.